Yo, this shit spread quick, every word's a disease. Black belt kung fu, I'm kicking verses with ease. I black out, tag my name on any surface I please. I came to fuck these pussies good, forget the birds and the bees. I got no chill, the rain of beats got don't kill. The only people trying to compete with me got no skill. This shit like ecstasy, but you ain't gotta pop no pill. Can make a hit using my dick to play a glockenspiel. Whatever you got, nobody really know me at all. This shit just started as an idea, but it slowly evolved. Middle finger on one hand, the other holding my balls. Addicted to this rap shit and I've been going through withdrawals. I try to go a day without it and it's hurting my brain. Just a regular motherfucker from the dirt and the rain. So filthy your computer, get a virus searching my name. I feel like every time I rap I'm about to burst into flames. Come on! I'm just being honest with you, all this shit is real. Maybe it's the weed I'm burning, but the only thing I feel is fuck them all, I'm just doing me. I ain't out here trying to emulate the phony shit. I see this shit is everybody sound the fucking same lane. Corny ass chains, same boring ass lane. So listen bitch, you talking real clear, but the only thing I hear is yeah, I got minimal class, shit get critical fast. Take your opinion of me, stick it up your pitiful ass. Cause I've been ahead of my time, you bitches live in the past. Stepping on all these motherfuckers like some shit in the grass. See dudes lip sync, they whole track, blasting in the monitor. If this a marathon, y'all ain't lasting a kilometer. Just turning up the heat until it's smashing the thermometer. Life could be a bitch, I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with it. My aim is steady and I'm breathing like a sniper. Fucking deadlier than trying to pull the teeth out of a viper. Burning trees cause I'm too hyper, the most seasoned in the cypher. Got them shitting in they pants, they gonna need another diaper. Yo, my life is basically a natural disaster. Think my parents had me married, but I'm actually a bastard. There I go again, high as fuck, rambling away. Now I forgot what else to say, oh yeah. Blah, 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 blah. I'm just being honest with you, all this shit is real. Maybe it's the weed I'm burning, but the only thing I feel is fuck them all, I'm just doing me. I ain't out here trying to emulate the phony shit. I see this shit is everybody sound the fucking same lane. Corny ass chains, same boring ass lane. So
don't let that beef get your head cracked. Cut my dreads off in the pen, something like head crack. You just now getting your fame, nigga, we been cracking. Tank turn a village to a mansion, he been trapping. Told my goons, wrap your face up like you being lad. We gon' slide if they outside, we doing black magic. Leave that boy the same color as Hannah Montana. Handgun vicious, but the chopper gon' really do damage. Now I ain't never let off rounds out that Draco, but I will let off rounds out that Draco. We took turns with that nasty ass stank hoe. Gave her dick and sent her back where she came from. Same niggas in the trenches with them same guns. Get the job done, nigga that been done. Ride around with 2 guns, bitch I been done. He on the gram like he didn't run, bitch he did run. Gang shit, the whole gang hit that trick twice. Young niggas, grab a Sprite and pour the whole pint, fuck with us. I pop them rocks and be up all night, can't trust niggas. We can't vibe cause he too nice, finesse game. On 10 like I'm Lemmy Lambs, hell yeah. I eat pussy, shit I'm grown man, tell a bitch. Invite a bitch, shit we all in, I like a bitch. That ain't scared to put it all in, work. I might bust fast if it's too wet. We don't just talk, bitch, we do it. Knock a nigga down if he trip. Iced out my whole swag, that's drip. Yeah, blue lipstick on, she got crip lips. Red bottoms on, that's that blood walk. She gon' throw it back, look at them thick hips. You love me, bitch, please, that's them drugs talking. Gang shit, the whole gang hit that trick twice. Young niggas, grab a Sprite and pour the whole pint, fuck with us. I pop them rocks and be up all night, can't trust niggas. We can't vibe cause he too nice, finesse gang. On 10 like I'm Lemmy Lambs, hell yeah. I eat pussy, shit I'm grown man, tell a bitch. Invite a bitch, shit we all in, I like a bitch. That ain't scared to put it all in, work. I might bust fast if it's too wet. We don't just talk, bitch, we do it. Knock a nigga down if he trip. Iced out my whole swag, that's drip. Yeah, blue lipstick on, she got crip lips. Red bottoms on, that's that blood walk. She gon' throw it back, look at them thick hips. You love me, bitch, please, that's them drugs talking. Gang shit.